Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I am going to show you how to download, create, and join a meeting using Google Meet. But first, let us know what is Google Meet. Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google. It is one of the many apps that we can avail by creating a Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, please check my video about it. I'm gonna put the link below. So, what are the Google apps? First, we have Google Classroom. Next, we have Google Forms, Slides, Docs, YouTube, Gmail, Google Meet, and there are more Google apps out there. But today, we're gonna focus on this app called Google Meet. Google is making enterprise-grade video conferencing available to everyone. Now, anyone with a Google account can create an online meeting up to 100 participants and meet for up to 60 minutes or 1 hour per meeting. It is characterized by real-time meetings by Google. Using your browser, share your videos, desktop, and presentations with your teammates and customers. With today's pandemic, many teachers prefer to use Google Meet to communicate with students virtually. This platform allows you to not only create a virtual meeting, but allows you to share your desktop with your students, thereby creating an interaction or interactive discussion with them. Aside from that, you can also share your files. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn how to use Google Meet. First, we need to install our app on Play Store, of course. So let's go to Play Store. Now type Google Meet. Okay, so you have to download this app. Click install. Okay, so now we're done downloading our Google Meet. Let's open it. Click continue. Click allow, and then you have to sign in with your Google account. Again, if you don't have the Google account yet, you have to create one in order for you to use the Google Meet. Okay, so here I already have my own Gmail account, Google account. I have lots of Google accounts here, so I'm gonna choose this one, this jenny.hiyas@deped.gov.ph, because that is my official email in DepEd. So now we're here. We can see our face. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera or video. Just click this video icon. And then if you want to unmute your voice, you have to click the microphone icon so that you can eliminate the noises which is in your surrounding or your background noise. But if you have to speak something, then you have to turn on the microphone. But if you don't have to speak anything and there is a speaker during your meeting, you have to turn it off. Okay, turn off. In my case, I'm not gonna turn off my microphone because I need to speak, but I'm gonna turn off my video because my face doesn't look good. Okay, so the next thing that we will do is create a new meeting. Okay, for the teacher, you have to create your meeting in order to produce a code. And that code will be used by the students so that they can enter in the said virtual meeting. Okay, so I will click new meeting, this one in the left side with the plus sign. Click new meeting. Okay, now share this to invite others. Share this info with people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it somewhere if you plan to meet later. Okay, so now I'm gonna share this code to those people whom I wanted to meet in Google. So I think I'm gonna copy this to clipboard first. Okay, and then I'm gonna send this on my messenger. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna go to my friend. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it here in this messenger. Okay, so this code will be clicked by the students, so that, or anyone who wants to join the meeting. Okay, just click this one. Okay, now you will be directed here. Okay, so as you can see, I am the only one here because I'm only using one cell phone. But if you have other gadgets, you can click the code and then you can join the meeting. Here you can send messages in this chat box, and also you can add attachment if you want. Okay, you can share attachment, and you can also present your screen here. Okay, so that is how you can join the meeting. You have to click the code, this code right here, ZOE-FKYE-RAE. This is very important. Okay, now there is another option for you on how to join the meeting. Okay, so first I'm gonna log out. Now you have another choice in how you can join the meeting. So what is this second way to join the meeting? You can click meeting code here on the right side, and then just encode or just put the code here, Zoe dash. So this is the code that I created a while ago, dash RAE, join meeting. Okay, now so you can, as you can see, I already joined the meeting that I created. So that is how you can create a meeting using Google Meet. So I hope you guys learned something about my tutorial for today. So that's it for now, and see you. Thank you for watching.